This FITCAMX front and rear dash camera is custom shaped for the Cadillac Lyriq, so it tucks into the factory housing with no dangling wires and does not block the windshield at all. Video quality is very strong, with a 2K front channel and a full high-definition rear channel, backed by a Novatek processor and good optics that stay clear even in low light. The integrated wireless connection and companion application make it straightforward to review clips on a phone and save important moments without pulling the memory card. Once installed, the camera quietly records every drive using loop recording and an impact sensor to lock collision footage so it is not overwritten. The included memory card and support for higher capacity cards mean you can keep plenty of high-resolution footage before anything needs to be managed. Build quality feels solid with the heat-resistant plastic shell, and the unit is designed to tolerate a wide temperature range, which is reassuring for long-term use in a parked vehicle.